Emotional abuse is wrong, psychological abuse is wrong, and physical abuse is wrong.
लोग क्या कहें, समाज क्या कहेगा, शादी कैसे होगी, कौन करेगा शादी तुझसे?
Women, I think they are very, very scared. I think it's something about society.
The problem is not with them, it's with us, the society.
मैं उत्तर प्रदेश के एक छोटे से शहर एटा में रहती हूँ। यहाँ आए दिन मैं वुमेन अब्यूज जैसी घटनाएं अपनी आंखों से देखती हूँ। मेरे पड़ोस में एक व्यक्ति अपनी बीवी के साथ गाली गलौज कर रहा था। मैं बाहर निकल के गई तो मैंने देखा कि वो उसे पीटने लगा। मैंने उस महिला से पूछा, कानून है, हम भी तुम्हारा साथ देंगे, तुम आवाज क्यों नहीं उठाती? पता है उसने क्या कहा कि दी, क्या ये कानून मुझे सारी जिंदगी सब मुझे करके करा के देंगे? नहीं ना, मेरे खुद के माँ बाप तक मुझे ये कहते हैं कि अब तुम इस घर की नहीं रही हो, दूसरे घर की हो गई हो, अपनी चीजें खुद संभालो।
And the girl wants to come forward and she is being stopped by her mother, her father, her family just because of this social stigmas. लोग क्या कहेंगे, शादी कैसे होगी? Just try to educate, just try to aware the parents of the girl, because girls are aware.
You see, like where I come from, sometimes when you tell somebody, oh, my husband abused me, they're like, oh, what did you do? What did you do that he abused you? That is so wrong. That is so wrong.
Let's face it, in the society, we as women get judged more than a man. No matter what we do, even if we are not at fault. There are times that a woman starts thinking that even if I, raise my voice, I do not keep silent against my abuser, what will happen to me next? What if I get abused more?
यहाँ तक कि मैंने ऐसा तक सुना है कि जिन औरतों ने हिम्मत करके आवाज उठाई भी, या तो वो अगले दिन जला दी गई या फिर वो फांसी के फंदे से लटकी हुई।
Do you know violence is not only physical or it's not only emotional, it's more a mental. Violence is not only at your home, it's even at your workplace also, it's in the society. And I'm not talking about only India, it's everywhere, everywhere.
How conditioned a lot of women are in blaming themselves for harassment, and it's really hard to change that. Even if your environment might be supportive, then the bigger environment that might not be supportive, or the culture might not be supportive, or one family member might not be supportive.
पति ने थप्पड़ मार दिया तो क्या हो गया? क्या फर्क पड़ता है? पति आखिर परमेश्वर होता है।
Who have always told their daughters that marriage is the most important part of their lives, and husband by default is a dominant character. You must obey him simply because he's bringing bread to home. Little did we tell them that by him bringing bread to home does not have to make you feel any inferior, neither does it give him any authority to hit you.
Nobody should stay in an abusive relationship. Be it the woman that is being abused or the man that is being abused. Nobody should stay in an abusive relationship. And then at the end of the day, they end up being dead.
It just takes one moment to realize that you have been hurting your own self and not saving any sort of relationship that you think you are saving.
There's a great initiative by the government that is Beti Bachao and Beti Padhao. But why is that term Bachao used? And why aren't we using बेटों को पढ़ाओ एंड इज्जतदार बनाओ?
पितृसत्ता की ये सोच ने हमारे दिमाग पर इतनी जबरदस्त तरीके से कब्जा किया हुआ है कि हम खुद ही नहीं समझ पाते हैं कि कहाँ सही है और कहाँ गलत।
You need to stop them somewhere. You need to raise your voice against it.
Blaming women for not standing up against domestic violence, I don't think so. It's right.
Trust me, she needs help more than we think. She's just afraid to do so, or she has a lot of things going in her mind.
This is something inside the society, so the answer comes from there.
In this 21st century, I think most of the girls are aware about their rights.
You need to feel the strength you are all are gifted with. Because when one woman speaks, she portrays the strength and she becomes the voice of many.
हमें एजुकेशन के थ्रू छोटे से ही बच्चों को, मेल्स को ये समझाना होगा कि सिर्फ आदमी बनना उनको ये अधिकार नहीं देता कि वो औरत पर हाथ उठाए.
If you are in an abusive relationship, please leave. Leave before you die. Leave. Leave. I've written a song on domestic violence which I'll be releasing very soon, and I'll send it to you guys.
क्या कभी आपके अंदर से ये आवाज नहीं आई कि बस अब और नहीं सहूंगी? और अगर आई है तो आवाज उठाइए.